Today, we will listen to the topic, color.
May I help you?
Yes, please. I am looking for an umbrella.
What's your favorite color?
It's black.
Sorry, we have no black umbrellas right now. Here is a nice umbrella.
But this umbrella is yellow.
That's okay. Yellow umbrellas are very popular this year.
It's cool, but yellow isn't my favorite. Do you have the gray one?
Let me see. Oh, it's here.
Wow, I'll take it. How much is it?
$10. Would you like anything else?
Oh, I forgot the plastic bag. Do you have any colors like red or purple?
Sure, there is one at the bottom of the cabinet. I'll show you.
Okay, how much in total?
$10 for the umbrella, $5 for the plastic bag. So, $15 in total.
Do you accept credit cards?
We only accept MasterCard. Let me check your card first.
Here you are.
It works. This is your bill.
Thanks a lot.